Am I just dishing out all of my insecurities in today's video? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little random, something that I don't do very often on my channel. I'm going to be talking about my hair. I'm going to be sharing my favorite hairstyles that I like to wear to frame my square face and to make it appear smaller. Over the past couple of years, I've been getting comments on my videos asking me to do a hair tutorial, show my favorite accessories, because you guys know I'm all about my hair accessories. So I would describe my face shape to be square. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Again, I don't really know what I'm talking about here. I don't do a lot of hair videos, and I actually don't know what is actually flattering, like by the book, but just me being on camera for the past 7-8 years, you kind of see things that you wouldn't see in a different job, let's just say that. And through my journey on YouTube, I really have grown to like my face shape. It's mainly more of like my faith and with God, like just accepting who I am and how He created me. But definitely when I was younger, and I think with Asian beauty standards, you know, I always thought that I had to have a long face with a V-shaped chin, which I literally have the complete opposite face. When I was in high school, I would buy face masks that would, like, you know, give you the V-shaped face, you know, the one that you put around your ear like a mask. I would buy that because I was really insecure. But as I've, you know, grown on my channel, as I've grown in age, as I've grown with my faith, I've kind of just really accepted it. Obviously, there are days where I'm like, you know, sometimes if it just looked like this. But for the most part, I am okay with it, and I think it gives me a little bit more character. So the way I'm titling this video, I'm not saying that a square face shape or a bigger face is not beautiful. It is. Every face shape is beautiful, has its own charm. It's just, you know, what I do to make it look a little smaller in camera, you know? That was a really long intro. Let's hop into the first hack, the first tip. And the first tip is to curl your hair. My theory is the bigger your hair looks, the smaller your face is going to look. Because your hair is bigger, your face will look smaller, if that makes sense. So I didn't do anything to my hair. I washed it last night. This is just how it air dries. It is fairly straight. So let's just say, you know, I try to do like a middle parting. Let's just say I leave it like this. I feel like when my hair is straight, because it's so flat and it's like stuck to my face, it emphasizes my face shape a lot more. But I really don't wear my hair straight anymore. You know, I would have to have like a really good hair day or a good confidence day to wear my hair straight, especially on camera. Alright, so I'm done curling my hair now. What do you guys think? This is not styled or anything. Do you think my face already looks a little smaller when your hair is just a little more fluffy? But now I want to share some of my favorite hairstyles. So moving into tip 2 is always having accessories. I don't know why. I feel like when I have something in my hair. So the first hairstyle that I really like to do is just taking a claw clip and taking some of the pieces around the sideburn, taking it to the back, and then just clipping it there. And then I'll take some of my front pieces out. I like cut some of my hair to fit my fake bangs. But I'll do this. And this is a hairstyle that I like to wear a lot. I feel like just taking those side pieces help frame the face a little bit. I don't know. And it looks like this from the back. I wear this hairstyle a lot when my accessories don't match my makeup, because you guys know I always love to match my makeup with my accessories to my clothes. So for a look like this, I don't have a lot of darker accessories, so I would probably wear my hair like this or with a headband. You could go in with these head bows. I feel like you gotta like more of a girlier style to wear these, because I don't think these would be for everyone. But this is what it would kind of look like. The next style that I like is, it's not a style really, it's just having a headband on your head at all times. This again just creates that illusion that your hair is bigger, so making your face look a little smaller. So this one is pretty big. This one's a recent one I got from yesstyle. Don't you think as soon as I pop that on, my face looks very small now because my hair is curled, it's floofy, it's big, and then I have this thing on top. I will of course link all of my accessories down below in order of appearance, but yeah, this is one of my new favorite ones. I like it, and especially because it's black and my hair is black, gives more to the illusion that my hair is bigger. Love that. I'll wear some of my other favorites. Of course, I have to mention my pearl headbands. You guys know I wear these all the time. Even though this pearl one is a little smaller, I don't know, just something about having a headband in your hair. Like, you just, it's just a must. And then this one is a little bit bigger, so again, adds to that illusion. This one I don't wear too often because it does roll down. But I have these two here, like a satin type of headband. Love these two. I like to just frame my hair a little bit like this. These are probably like my go-to headbands that I wear the most often. I don't know, just something about a headband and curled hair, it's like chef's kiss. It's so easy. And then the next hairstyle I used to wear all the time. I don't wear it so much these days, but it's still a go-to hairstyle nonetheless. So I have these little flower hair clips, and I actually have a whole pouch of them. In this pouch there's actually like other hair clips as well, but it's mainly those flower hair clips. I just have a lot in a different colors. I don't have like a burgundy one, so I'll go with the red hair clips. And what I like to do is just go from here and just take a little bit, one on this side, and then you could actually take more and put it throughout your hair. And for some reason I feel like this little hairstyle again just elevates my hair a little bit higher, making my hair looking a little bit more fluffy, so that way my face can look a little smaller. But every time I wear this hairstyle I feel like it's bulletproof. I feel very confident in it, and I feel like it's a really great way to match your makeup with. I think it's super cute. These hair clips are very affordable. I bought these first off yesstyle, and then I got more colors off AliExpress, but I'll link both down below. And I'll even do this when I braid my hair, because it like kind of gives more volume up here. I mean, you could obviously tease your hair, but I don't do that. And I'll also put a photo here because I'm not going to braid my hair, but I did this hairstyle really recently. It was mainly inspired by Jessica Vu. But pretty much you just braid your hair how you normally would, but instead of braiding it all the way down, I stopped it halfway and then had my curls come out, and I feel like that looks better than me braiding it all the way, which I still do love that look. That just flatters my face shape a lot more. Sometimes I will put my hair into half high ponies like this. I'll give you an idea. Like this. I'll put a photo here of when I wore it. I definitely have to have a good hair day. That typically works better on second or third day here. But anyway, that is pretty much all the hairstyles that I like to do that I think frame my face the best. Today I'm gonna go in with my pearl headband because I think, I don't know, it looks good with this makeup look. But that is going to conclude today's video. It was a little bit more chill, very quick. Just want to share some tips and tricks with you. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you found it helpful, if you could give it a thumbs up for me, I would appreciate it so much. This might be my last hair video in a while because there's not really much more I could share. But thank you guys so much for watching as always. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!